In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Messenger. So first, if we go to Messenger, you could see that this is my profile picture and there is no option to change profile picture in the app. So what we're gonna do is go to Facebook. Let's go to the menu button at the right, tap on your profile, and then tap the camera button on your profile picture. Let's select profile picture and then select a picture that you want. You could upload or from your existing photos. For me, I'm just gonna do this. Click on save. And now the profile picture has been updated in Facebook. And now if we go to Messenger, you could see that my profile picture in Messenger has also changed. And sometimes it takes quite a while for it to be updated, but don't worry, it will eventually be updated. And that is how you change your profile picture on Messenger on 2020. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.